Hi students! Today we're going to be looking at finding the missing variables like the height or the base area of triangular prisms and pyramids when you already know the volume. Let's start off by drawing this figure in your notes. If you will draw a triangle in the front, draw a triangle in the back and off to the side a little bit, and then connect the vertices, that will be the easiest way to do it. Once you have that done, let's label our diagram. Our base area in this figure is going to be 150 centimeters squared. Our volume for this figure is going to be 1,200 centimeters squared. Now what we're going to be finding is the missing height. We do not know what the height is for this figure. So the first thing we're going to have to do is write your formula to find the volume of a prism. Well, that's going to be volume equals the base area times the height. Now make sure you're writing all this down in your notes. Now underneath each one of those variables, you're going to be writing the number that goes along with that variable. So for the volume, we know that it's 1,200. So underneath V, we write 1,200. We are actually given the base area this time, so we don't have to figure that out. That's going to be 150. And the height is what we are missing. So our next step is going to be to solve for H. So we'll divide by 150. (1,200) divided by 150 is 8, and that will be 8 centimeters. Now let's look at another problem where we're not given the base area, but we have to find the base area and then find the missing height. Okay, let's go ahead and redraw your figure. And then when you have that drawn, let's relabel our figure. This time we are going to know that our volume is 100 centimeters cubed. In our figure, we know that the height of the triangle that makes up the base is going to be 4 centimeters. And we know that the base of that triangle is going to be 5 centimeters. What we want to find out then is what is the height of the triangular prism. Make sure you have all that written in your notes. Pause the video if you need to catch up. Now once again, our first step will be write down your formula. Well, to find the volume of a triangular prism, it is still volume equals base area times the height. Well, this time we don't have the base area. We have to figure that up. So underneath capital V, I'm going to go ahead and write 100. We know what the volume is. To find the base area, this is a triangle, so we're going to have to take 1/2 the height times the base. Well, the height of that triangle is 5. Nope, sorry, the base of that triangle is 5 and the height is 4. So that takes care of the capital B that's right here. Then we have what we're looking for, H, which is the height of the prism. So let's go ahead and calculate 1/2 times 5 times 4. 1/2 of 4 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So we have 10 times the height. Well, this is an easy problem then. We just divide both sides by 10. And the height of this figure will be 10 centimeters.